Okay, this one, I'm making this video here. I'm gonna try to do it quick. So here's my scan tool. This is an Autel IM608. Just log in onto here. So this car was a no crank, no start. Came down to the body control module was bad. It had water in it. Sunroof. It's a sunroof thing. Leaks, goes in here. So I got a brand new one, Volkswagen body control module, put in here, recoded it, pulled the codes off the old one, was able to do that, and recoded the new one, put it in here. Everything worked great, but the doors would not lock at all. You could not lock it. You could hit the button here. They lock now. I fixed it. I can unlock it. I could lock it. That all was great. Let's see if I can go into here. I gotta remember what I'm doing here. I might be able to just go into it this way. And the electronic central electric is what you go into. Or you can go into the door control module. You know, driver's door module, that's in here somewhere too. Control. And yeah, anyway, I should find this passenger's door. You can go into here, you can see live data of when I push the button, it would say locking and unlocking, and that worked. I had the new remotes programmed, they were working, but it wouldn't lock. You can go into here and it would see them. I could see it pushing the button and it knew it was doing it, but it wouldn't lock the door. And so under this, I'll just go into there. And then you go into adaption. There's codes and adaptions. We want to document adaption. So anyway, it was factory mode right there. You know, factory mode is used to display errors during production, and once it has been deactivated, it can no longer be activated afterwards. That during production thing caught my attention with the brand new body control module, because it should be working, right? I mean, there's got to be a setting in this thing saying it's not working. So I'm going through settings one at a time here, and it can't be reactivated. I have it shut off now. And as soon as I shut off that factory mode and the adaptions and the electronic, whatever they call it, the 09 module, everything worked. My doors would lock, they would unlock, and my assumption here is they have that in there for when they're in production mode. It defaults in this control module for production mode. When they're on the assembly line, they don't want these doors to lock on accident. That's my guess. So when they're done, you got to go in there. You got to go into this thing and shut that off. And you can't turn it back on again, according to that description. I didn't try. Anyway, yeah. You put a new body control module in from Jetta. They're not cheap. But I wanted the one. I couldn't find exactly the one that would work for this car, but. And anyway, it works now. Shut off factory. Yeah, where'd it go? I already lost it. Oh, it's under the 09 module, which is your body control module. This doesn't have a convenience module in it. Just, this is a newer version. But shut off that factory mode. There you go. So, anyway. I looked all over online, couldn't find anything. So hopefully this helps somebody out.